Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with a video. So I have a project to share with you. I hosted on Instagram a one-on-one swap that was Bridgerton, a Bridgerton themed swap, and then also a bug themed swap. And I have the same partner for both of them, so I'm going to show both of them together. My partners is Happy Mail by Kim, or Happy Mail with Kim. I think it's by Kim. And she is from the Netherlands, so we decided that it would just be easier to do them both together than trying to find her a partner that was willing to ship overseas and blah, blah, blah. And that way we could make it much bigger than what the swap really called for. Since it was going overseas, we wanted to, make it count. So I am going to show you what I made her. Again, I will put the swap requirements up. The Bridgerton one was like a tag flip, a handmade card, an MDC or ATC, and a $5 gift. I believe that was all. But we decided, again, to go a little bit above and beyond because it is going overseas, so we wanted to make it worth it, right? So I am going to show you what we decided on. We decided to do a trinket box as well and some embellishments. So I created this book box. This is a KS Crafts die, and I just made a box to go with it. I don't have it pushed down all the way, so I could easily open it. And I just have a lady whistle down on here, a little settee, and some flowers. I wanted to do more of a 3D project. Like I thought about doing a book stack or a 3D teapot or a teacup, but with it going overseas, I was really worried about the damage. Like we already see the damage just kind of going here back and forth from state to state and stuff, but going overseas, I was just really reluctant to make anything too 3D because I really had a feeling that there could be some damage. No matter how well I packed it. So this is what I decided. So I made this little 3D box, and I'm going to be putting all of my embellishments in here, and I'll show you my embellishments in a minute. This is my tag flip. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of struggled with this a little bit, and I'm not 100% why. I love Bridgerton. I've watched all of the seasons. As soon as they come out, I've rewatched seasons. But I kind of got stuck in my head with, oh, I have to just use one paper collection. Oh, it has to be very Bridgerton. I don't know why I got stuck in my head, but I ended up using some Prima and a little bit, I think, did I use a couple other things? I know I did, at least a couple different Prima pads. I might have even used something from Hobby Lobby. I'm not quite sure, but I definitely did more of a collage style tag, and I usually don't. But this is what I come up with. So this first one is actually the frame that goes to this storybook die, and I just kind of kept it. I have like a frame within the frame, I have a settee, I have a book stack, I have Bridgerton, just a little bit of everything. This little corbel, I made a mold, and this is just resin that I've put some rub and buff on it. It's got some little flowers and little butterflies, a lot of little details. I have this little sequin mix tag. I thought this peach and this colored sequin mix just matched really well. I have this tag. This has all of the Bridgerton siblings. It has like a little family tree. It's got a little Bridgerton book and a little cameo, and there's even like a little bee to represent the father. If you know, you know. This one is hot air balloons. They're in season 3. There was a hot air balloon shot, and I just really like this die, so I put this in there. I have some ribbon samples, and I have this page. This is like the first ball of the season, Lady Danbury, and I even created this little dance card, and you can turn it, and it has your little dance numbers. So that is my tag flip. It's also got, just a little tassel full of all kinds of trims. This is my trinket box. I did not make this, but it fit kind of with the scheme of things. The colors are slightly off. This is definitely Maggie Holmes, but I got this in a swap and it just worked really well. I did fill the trinket box with different things. So I have all different types of little resin flowers. I have bows in this one, some big bows and some little bows, and just tons of charms. Bows, flowers, teacups, teapots, books, like there's just all kinds of charms that kind of relate, and some wire wrapped beads in this one. So I thought that just fit nice, and I thought about redecorating it, but it just is really cute and it just fit well with the theme and time. You know, time is always against us when we're swapping, and I just didn't have a ton of time just wrapping up swaps and everything else. This is my Memdex. It's just got Lady Whistledown. It's got a teacup. It says Bridgerton on here. We have some flowers and a little butterfly. I just kept it kind of simple. I do have an ATC card that's bug related. So I have the information on that. I kept this one blank just in case you wanted to reuse this. I do like to receive a blank MDC card sometimes so that, you know, yeah, if you're doing a swap, if you just need one and you just don't have time to make one, blah, blah, blah. That's why I kept the back blank so she could reuse this if she wanted to. Will she? I don't know. This is the card I made. This is from Tim Holtz, this paper, and it's kind of like, it's texturized. It kind of feels like wallpaper. And these little chipboard pieces, oh, I can't remember where they're from. It's a pack of ephemera that I had gotten, and I do have it popped up. I kept the inside blank so she could put whatever sentiment or whatever else she may want in there. I have this paper pad, which was very kind of Bridgerton, very shabby chic. I don't know. It just fit well with the scheme of things. So I thought this would be a good gift. And I also got her one of the Bridgerton teas from World Market. And I did ask who her favorite characters were from the show, and also what type of tea she liked. And she likes a fruity tea, so I got blood orange and mimosa tea. So I hope this is really good. I should have bought myself one so I could try it. I love fruity teas as well. So there's that. And then I have just some embellishments that I made that I'll be putting in the box. I have some more hot air balloons. I have some little Bridgerton books. I have some just wavy little banners. This one says tea time. And then this one has a Lady Whistledown pamphlet on it, a little Lady Whistledown sticker, and a little teapot for, you know, spilling the tea. Thought that was cute. I do have, what else do I have? I have this little box. This was made by somebody else as well, but it fits very well within the theme. And then in here I have just this little carriage charm that I'm gifting, so she can do with it as she pleases, but it fits the theme as well. So we have that. It goes like this. So I'll put that in the box. I have this little box that's filled with little paper flowers. We're going to put that in the box. Is that it for Bridgerton? I have other little things that I'll be putting in there. Lots of stickers, things that she might not be able to get from the Netherlands. So I have tons of stickers, tea stickers, flower stickers, bug stickers, just all kinds of stickers. So that is this swap. So I'm going to move this over real quick. Okay, so for the tea swap, for the bug swap is a folio, an interactive folio, a handmade card, an ATC card or Memdex, and a sticker sheet. I think that was all that was required for the bug swap, but we also decided to do some embellishments in a trinket box. So I'm going to show you what I have. So we'll start with the folio. So this is a folio I made. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I will link the tutorial for this folio down below, but I just love it. I went with bees. I was going to do other bugs, but the bees kind of interacted with Bridgerton. So I just kind of kept that theme. I really do like bees. So that's what I used. This is a Park Lane pad. I think it's just called Bees. I think that's what it is. Let's see. It is. So it's called Park Lane Bees. I got this on clearance. I don't think that they even sell this anymore, but I absolutely love this paper pad. And I have enough. I could make another one because this is gorgeous. So this is my folio. This first pocket, we have some little mats. Oh, this is supposed to go like this. So we have these two fold outs. We have a tag with a little pocket in here. The second page fold up, double. Here, let's see, we can back you up a little bit more. My desk is a mess, but so yeah, this folds up double. In here we have some of the cut aparts and journaling cards that I thought would go well with this. I didn't embellish this a whole lot because I wanted her to be able to put things where she wanted and so forth. I have this little like embellishment type of thing that I made in here. This is magnetic pocket, and we have a tag in here. And then on this like fold out, this is a pocket in here. This has some matted cut aparts, and then this is just a little belly band. I just put these in here so she could see that it was a belly band. And then this top portion flips up, and this portion flips down, and in here is another pocket. So I have a mat in here and some more cut aparts. And then this bottom portion, it can fold down. So I know it's like hard to see. So it can fold down, or it can fold up like this. And then on the third page, we have a magnetic pocket as well. I have some mat tags back here. The side has a little pocket, and there's a mat in here. And then in the back, there's also a little pocket with a mat there. So this was a really fun folio. I really like this, and I will do like a slow down like walkthrough probably on my Instagram so you can see that. But I love this folio. Again, I just kind of kept the front blank because I didn't know what she might want to do with it, and I feel like personalizing a folio or an album is personal, so I wanted her to be able to personalize it however she seemed fit. So there's that. I also have, the B words, and I kept them very just kind of simple, black and glitter. So I'm not quite sure she'll want to use these in with her folio or not, but it's all of the Chaos Crafts B words, B themed words. So I'll put those in there. I had the wavy banner out, so I made a couple of the little wavy banners. This one says Buzz, this one says Queen. And then I took some of like the strip cut aparts and just made little kind of banners, and I just used my tiny attacher and just stapled them so that she could kind of do whatever she wanted to as well. If she wanted to kind of tuck it behind something, she can add, some kind of embellishment here. Again, I wanted her to be able to really customize this however she wanted. This is my little trinket box. Is it gonna come through? There we go. So it just says, be happy, be kind. Just like simple little trinket box. So in here I have bees and ladybugs. I mean, it was a bug theme, so I didn't keep everything just bees. This one is charms. There's bees, there's butterflies, mainly bee related stuff so that she could use it to decorate said folio if wanted. Same way with the beads in here. I didn't have time to wire wrap these ones, but they're just black, white, and yellow beads. And then here I have some little flat back like nail charms that are bees and butterflies and flowers. So that's what's in my little trinket box. And then I also made this like tea holder, since it kind of went with the Bridgerton vibe as well. I kept this kind of simple so that she could reuse this or decorate it however she wanted. She could put some of these on there, but so she could re-gift this as well. So in here I have my ATC card. This is a little ATC card that I made. Since I made a Memdex for the Bridgerton, I made an ATC card for the Bug Swap. And then here is my information on the back. And then I just have it loaded up with teas. Some of my favorite teas from my collection. So there's that. I also have some of these really pretty flowers that really matched that she can use to decorate the folio. Oh, here's the card. I did not make a card for this. This is a card that I got, but this card is so cute. This is more cutesy. It doesn't match the paper collection, but look how stinking cute this card is. Like, it is too cute not to pass down so that somebody else can use it. It's just gorgeous. I love it so much that it needed to be seen. So that's the card I'm gonna send with that. What else do I have? I have like tea stirs. I have lots of stickers. I just have so much stuff. This box will be loaded with a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't even show you. Oh, I have this as well. I had bought one and then I had gotten one as a gift. So I kept the one that I got as a gift and I'm going to pass this down. It is a book vase. It just says it's a plastic vase, but I keep all of my bookmarks in it, so I'm going to put a lot of like all the stickers and stuff like that inside of this. I have, let's see, I have stamps, so I have bee stamps that I'm going to send over. I have these like cutting dies that are very like Bridgerton. They're flowers, they're baskets, they're bows. I just thought that that was really pretty, and so I'm gonna pass that down. I have a bee mask. Well, it's a honey mask, but you know, it goes with the bee themed stuff. What else do I have in here? I have lots of stickers. I haven't even decided. So I have flower stickers, I have some bug stickers, I have some of these wax seal stickers. These are like, they have crowns on them, so I was like, ooh, that's very Bridgerton. I have like 2 packs with different ones of those. I'm also gonna send her some of the viral pink pumpkin stickers because they don't have Hobby Lobby over there. So I'm gonna pass over some stickers and some other things. Just that you can't, you know, get there. So yeah, I'm going to package all this up. It's going to be a big swap, a big box, but I definitely want to add in some American candies and some other things. So I need to box this up so I can get it sent out, and I hope that she likes it. I'm sure she will. This was a really fun swap. I definitely had more fun doing the bees than I did Bridgerton, and I don't know why. I was even watching Bridgerton while I was doing it. But I was just really getting stuck in my head. I know that we've all had like swaps like that or crafts that we're doing that we just kind of get stuck in your head, and I just had to walk away for a few days and come back, and then like the juices started flowing again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.